How to fix friends list not showing online in Roblox. So if you want to fix your friends list not showing online on your Roblox, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and open up your Roblox. So if you're having trouble seeing your friends online in your Roblox friends list, then here are a few solutions that you can try. First of all, you need to check the Roblox website. So log into your Roblox website and see if your friends appear online over here. If the problem still persists, you can try log into your Roblox account on a different device like your phone or your console or your iPad or any other device according to your preference. And if you cannot access your account on this device, then you need to just go ahead to your browser settings. For that, you need to go with the three dots, which will be on the top right, and then just click on settings. Then go to the privacy and security, and then click on delete browsing data and go with last hour or last 24 hours, and then click on delete data, which will be on the bottom. Check the box according to your preference and go ahead and delete the data. This will clear your browsing history, cached images, and files and cookies. Once you've cleared this data, you need to just sign out of your Roblox and then sign back in to see if your friend list is working correctly. If you're still unable to see your friends online in Roblox, then visit the Roblox status page. Open a new tab and search for Roblox status. Hit enter. Go to status.roblox.com, and this page will tell you if all systems are operational. Sometimes Roblox experience problems and you will have to wait for them to fix the issues on their end. So there is nothing you can do to resolve it yourself. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.